Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets. In this tutorial, I will show you everything about Portfolio Widget. Also, we will create those cool sections using this awesome widget. I'm Fad Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description. Alright, so this is the Portfolio widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. Let's drag it to here. Okay, here our portfolio items are added. Now let's see what options we have. The first is layout and there is column options. Here is 3 column. We can make it to 4 or 5. I'm leaving it 3 for now. Here is post per pages. How many posts you want to see here? Like if I make it 7, you will see the another item is added here. Okay, for now I am making it 6. Then we have image size option. Look, our images are blurry here. We can change the size from here, medium, large. Okay, now we can see sharp images here. Then here is the masonry option. If we turn on, we will see the full height of the images. I'm turning off it for now. Then here is image ratio option. We can control our image from here, like this way. Okay, then here is the show title option. If we hover those images, we will see the title here. If we turn off it and we will hover it, we will see nothing here. So I'm turning on it for now. We can also change this title's HTML tag like h4 or h2. I'm leaving it h3 for now. Then here is the query option, where from the items are coming. You see here there is an option sources. Here is by default post. Those items are coming for post. We can also make it pages, products, manual selection, current query or related. We can see some manual selection example here. Like if I type here this one, you see there is one item added. Then we can add another item. Here is another item added. We are going back to the post. Okay, then here is the date. You can select first date, first week, first month or first year. If you select the first week, it will search for what you post in the last week. Okay, then here is the order by. You can order those items by title or random. Okay, then here is the order. You can order those items by ascending or descending. Okay, then here is the filter bar option. By default it's turned off. If we on it, we will see nothing is happening here. Then here is the option. If we select the categories, you will see the categories menu added here. If we select the lifestyle, it will show those images are matching with the lifestyle. Then the nature, working space, web development, and if we click the all, we can see the all images together. You can also filter it by tags, formats, product categories or product tags. Now we will go to the style tab. Here is the column gap between those columns, and here is the row gap between those rows. Then here is the border radius option. Then here is the item overlay. This overlay option, background color, we can change the background color from here this way. Color, we can change the text color from here. like this one. We are leaving it to white. Okay, then here is the typography of the text. You can change the typography from here. Then here is the filter bar. We can change the color of these items, red, the active color green. Then the typography here, we can change the typography of those items, like font size, letter spacing, line height. Then here is the space between those items. Then here is the spacing between the filter bar and those items. Cool. Now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel. Now let's create. At first, we will duplicate this area. We will delete this one from here. Then we will go to the element and we will drag a portfolio item here. Okay, I will increase the image size, medium large. I will go to the query. I will select the random. Okay, then I will go to the style tab. Column gap, I will make it 25. And row gap also I will make it 25. Then I will go to the item overlay option. Background color, I will change it to green. Okay, it's looking nice. Then I will go to the typography. I will change the font size 40. Okay, letter spacing 2. And the text transform uppercase. Okay, it's looking nice. Let's save it and click to the eye icon. Let's have a look how it's looking now. Here it is, a nice looking portfolio area. Now let's create another one. Duplicate this. We will delete this from here. Okay, then we will drag it to here. We will click this edit section icon. We will make it full width. Then we will go to the column option. Here is by default some padding. We will remove it. Now we will edit this element. We will increase the image size, medium large. Okay, we will make it to 4 columns. And we will make it 8 posts per pages. Okay, then go to the query, random. Then we will go to the filter bar, show it. We will select the categories here. Okay, now we will go to the style tab, item overlay. We will select the background, the blackish one. Okay, it's looking nice. Go to the typography, transform uppercase, letter spacing 1. Okay, then we will go to the filter bar, color, the blackish one. Then the active color will be green. I will increase the space between those items. Okay, it's looking nice now. Let's update it and have a look how it's looking now. This area is really cool. This one is cool, this one is also cool. Okay, Oh, nice, cool, really cool. Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the Make My Website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the Submit Request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.